Hello and welcome to your Southeast Idaho planning briefing for Wednesday, March 3rd. My name is Alex from the National Weather Service in Pocatello. Taking a look at your key points for today. If you can, get out and enjoy these spring-like days that are expected to continue through Friday. Before a cold front moves through on Saturday, that cold front will bring a round of rain and snow showers and wind to the area. Now, if you like the milder weather, the good news is there won't be much in the way of cold air behind this front, as temperatures will remain mild on Sunday and into early Monday. But Monday is when things will begin to change, as another cold front will be approaching the region. That'll bring another round of wind and showers to the area on Monday. And just beyond Monday, we're looking for a continuation of multiple rounds of precipitation through next week and progressively colder temperatures, which could mean accumulating snow down to valley floors by next week, but we'll continue to refine that forecast as we get closer. Taking a look at the satellite picture for this morning, we'll start first by talking about this area of low pressure that's off of the California coast. This low will slowly migrate north and east through the Great Basin through Friday, and essentially all of the precipitation is expected to remain off to the south. We'll just see some higher clouds move into the area in association with this system, and ever so slight chance of a flurry across the Idaho portion of the Wasatch with this, but that is about it. Otherwise, as we look off to the north and west, we'll see quite a large area here of unsettled conditions in the Gulf of Alaska, and this is the early stages of the unsettled pattern that will be moving in our direction. With that first cold front for Friday and then the second cold front for Monday and several more rounds of precipitation to follow. Your weather impact summary is predictably quiet for today. Again, we mentioned the very slight chance of a flurry across the Idaho portion of the Wasatch on Thursday. Otherwise, highlighting Saturday with a round of wind and rain and snow showers with little to no impact expected. In fact, snowfall forecast for Saturday is generally less than an inch, even in the higher terrain areas. However, possibly there could be a touch of blowing snow in the Teutonia and Ryrie areas, but that looks to be pretty limited. So, all in all, the quietest week we've had in quite a while. High temperatures for today will remain on the mild side. Temperatures will be warmest across the eastern Magic Valley once again. And temperatures will continue to warm. We'll add a couple more degrees each day, with the height of the warmth arriving on Friday and lower 60s possible across the Magic Valley on Friday. So that'll be the warmest day of the year so far, with temperatures getting well into the 50s, almost up to Idaho Falls even. So certainly a mild one in store for us on Friday. And as you can see, behind the cold front on Sunday, temperatures do not fall much, only a few degrees. So not much in the way of a cold front this time around. The theme of cold nights will continue, though, through the week, and this is just a snapshot of that, showing temperatures still getting down into the teens and even the single digits across the INL, with temperatures close to freezing across the Magic Valley. And this theme of cold nights will continue into Friday morning. Saturday morning, ahead of our cold front, that'll be the mildest morning in terms of the overnight period, with some southerly winds and warmth coming in ahead of the cold front, keeping temperatures a bit elevated for Saturday morning across the eastern Magic Valley. With most cold fronts come wind in Idaho, and this front will be no exception. Winds will begin to pick up on Friday. At first, they'll be down valley. So by that we mean north to east winds in the Snake River Plain, and eventually turning southerly along the Interstate 84 and 86 corridor, as you can see here by Friday night. And Saturday, after the passage of the cold front, the winds will abruptly shift around to the west and southwest. And we could see some gusts in our favored areas for southwest winds, up to around 35 miles per hour, but largely remaining below the wind advisory threshold. Breezy conditions continue into Saturday night and Sunday before the winds do calm down, but only briefly. We'll likely see a continued breezy southerly wind across the Snake Plain and eastern Magic Valley ahead of the next cold front, which, as we mentioned, will be arriving already on Monday. Like we talked about in the opening slide, the unsettled conditions are likely to continue into mid-March. As you can see here, odds pretty strongly favoring below average temperatures through that period, with above average precipitation favored. So again, spring-like conditions continuing through Friday. We'll see a weak cold front move through the area Saturday. That'll bring a round of rain and snow showers and wind to the area. After a dry Sunday and early Monday, we'll see a return to showery and windy conditions on Monday, with the unsettled conditions continuing at least through midweek, most likely well beyond that, though. And there is the potential for some accumulating snow by the middle of next week in valleys, but we'll continue to watch that as we get closer. That concludes the briefing for today. If you have any comments, questions, or feedback, we welcome that to this phone number that you see here. You can also email us, visit us on our social media, our Facebook, Twitter, or YouTube as well. Otherwise, please join us again Thursday for your Thursday hazard briefing. Thank you.